Welcome to Animo Retail. In this video, we will see how to create a stock adjustment. That means how to adjust on-hand quantity of an item, either by adding it or deducting the on-hand quantity or changing on-hand quantity. So let's go to inventory, stock adjustment, and click on the new stock adjustment option. Minimize it. Now you can see there is a mode, there is a control in interface called mode. We do have two options here. One is increase and decrease quantity, and one is change on hand quantity. So what we will do, we will do it one by one and see the impact of both of in both mode what is happening, that we can see in the screen itself. Okay, so let's use increase and decrease quantity first. I'll scan one item here. Okay, now you can see the on hand quantity of this item is 10, right? What I'm going to do is I am going to add 5 pieces into this uh, you know item. So what it will be now, once I will save this document, the stock on hand quantity will become 15 in that case, right? So let's save it and let us verify it. How we can verify it? We can click on the new stock adjustment again and scan the same item, and now you can see that what exactly is the on hand quantity. Okay, you can see it now, it is 15, right? So this was how we had increased the quantity. Now there is one more option, which is decrease the quantity. So to decrease the quantity, what we have to do is we just have to enter the quantity in minus. Like, say for example, I want to make it 12. Okay, so that means how many pieces I have to reduce? I have to reduce 3 pieces into from the system, right? So what I have done is minus 3. Now I will save this. Okay, one more interface, one more document, same item code, right? And now you can see the on hand quantity is 12, right? So this is how we can either increase or decrease the quantity of a stock quantity in a stock adjustment, right? Okay, one more thing, let's see it again. Stock adjustment. Okay, done. Okay, let's click it new. Okay, there is the second option, the second mode, which is change on hand quantity. So now let's try it now. Okay, scan the same barcode. Okay, now you can see the on hand quantity is 12, right? And in adjustment quantity I am putting 20. Okay, so what it will do, it will not add 20 pieces into the system. The on hand quantity will become 20, so that means it will add 8 pieces in the system itself, right? And let's do it. Save it. Now let's verify the same thing, that is it happened in the same way or not. You scan the item and see the on hand quantity, it is 20 now, right? So this is how we can make a stock adjustment manually as per the requirement of the business. Okay, thank you very much for the watching this video.